This equation causes confusion on the internet because people usually get two different answers. Can you solve it? Put the correct answer in the comment. Let's solve it together. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 square will give us 4. So we have a new equation which is 32 divided by 2 raised to power 3 times 4. 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8. We have a new equation 32 divided by 8 times 4. 8 times 4 will give us 32. We have 32 divided by 32. And 32 divided by 32 equal to 1. This answer is wrong. Because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, P here stands for parenthesis, that is bracket. E here stands for exponent, something like 2 squared. M here stands for multiplication, and D here stands for division. You evaluate from left to right. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. You evaluate from left to right. We begin with parenthesis. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 squared will give us 4. So we have new equation which is 32 divided by 2 raised to power 3 times 4. And 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8. We have 32 divided by 8 times 4. Now, we have here a division and multiplication. We evaluate from left to right according to PEMDAS. So we start by dividing 32 by 8. 32 divided by 8 will give us 4. 4 times 4 will give us 16. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.